kept fighting people's current mindsets, capitalize that set part. They were just so set in thinking of there's cold mix and there's hot mix. Oh, it's a blast. Granite is amazing. We bid all kinds of different projects. Love the work, but I also love the company. It's a name that opens doors. It's one that has a great reputation. We added EZ Street about 3 years ago. We did a little bit of a test, liked it, and decided to come on board in the EZ Street family. When I would introduce this stuff as a permanent cold mix, they would say, everybody says that. Once we produce the EZ Street, we dump it out here, and you'll see that it's not covered or anything because it has a way of protecting itself. And if you store it in your yard, the same thing. You get a thin crust over the top of it. It keeps it from drying out, and so you just fluff it from one side, stir that crust back in. It's ready for use. Despite the snow on it, that stuff is still going to be soft and usable. And it's one of the advantages to EZ Street is that it's workable in any weather. The closest product to this will turn hard as a rock in this weather, whereas our stuff is still pliable. You pour it right out of the bag. You can't think of it as just another cold asphalt. This is polymer modified asphalt. The difference that you'll see is instead of having to revisit that hole repeatedly until you can get hot mix, is that this will set. And as long as you need it to be in the ground, there it is. It's magic in a bag.